guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah Ashley and welcome to my beauty space. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video. Also, let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see or any videos that you want to request or reviews or anything like that. I could definitely get those up. But today when I woke up this morning, I was feeling like this very girly, pinky vibes. I haven't really gotten into pinky lipstick, pinky eyeshadow, and like probably since this past summer. So I'm already feeling it. I'm already getting started for spring and things like that. So I'm really excited to be playing today with like glitter. I wanted a very girly, glitter, glowing look today. I mean, I always like the glow, but today I wanted some glitter. I used something on my eyes that I haven't before, which is, I love the outcome. It's so pretty. But so today I'm going to be doing this tutorial on this pinky glittery eye look, and I love the way it came out. It's so easy to do. Like once you see the tutorial, you're going to be like, dang girl, why is that so easy? I'm like, girl, because you don't got to make it complicated all the time. But yeah, I love this. I did like a pinky lip liner with some lip gloss on top. I love it. As usual, I will link all the products that I use down below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, let's get started. I'm using my Colourpop eyeshadows, and I've already primed my eye with my with some concealer and my next to nothing MAC pressed powder. Now I'm going to get my transition color down, and since I want to do like this maroony pinky eye, I'm gonna go in with this little peach color first, right there. I don't know what color that. I think that's peach smoothie. Yep, it's peach smoothie. I'm just going to get a little messy and lay that down all in the crease. A little up towards here so that I can achieve that gradient effect. Just inner to outer corner. I really like to lay this down because this is going to help your eyeshadows blend. No harsh lines, girl. No harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go in. I know you guys probably want to know the names of these brushes, but they're just Morphe brushes. I bought like a set of them, and for some reason they just don't have names, numbers, anything. I'm sorry, but I just used any fluffy shader brush will be fine with your transition. Then I'm gonna go in with this really pink color. Let me get that. It's called Wait For It. I'm gonna go in with this color. It's just that it's like a true pretty Barbie pink color. I really like it. And then I'm gonna go in with that. And this color, these eyeshadows are really pigmented too. This is gonna help just create that. Lay that other layer on top so you create that nice gradient effect. I'm gonna go outer corner. This one we're gonna take deep into the crease. Stay in that crease. We don't want to go too high with this one. We're gonna stay in that crease and blend it out. We're gonna live here for a little bit. I'm going back in peach smoothie just so that I can help blend these two together. There we go. We are not gonna get no harsh lines, girl. Not today. Not today. Alright. And I'm getting messy all over the lid because, as you see, I'm gonna just put some of the glitter in the middle. And where is this one? Alright. And since I like the way that's looking, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the maroony color. I'm going to be dipping into two different shades. One's more of a true maroon color, and this one's more, oh, it's this one. This one's more of like a brownie, a deep brownie color. The maroon color is called Popular Demand. Oh no. R.I.P. There's been a death in the family. Thank God. Okay. She's fine. And then the brownie color is going to be, it's top notch. So I'm going to be mixing, just dabbing. A little back and forth. And then I'm going to go on my inner corner. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to go in the crease. I want to stay in the crease. And then I'm going to do a little bit on the outer. And you just blend to your little heart's content. I get real messy with my eyeshadows because for some reason, once I put on my brow bone highlight and my eyelashes, I do my mascara, my eyeliner, it just pulls it all together. Alright, now I'm going to go in a little with a clean brush. This is a clean little pointed blending brush. And I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. And that just helps to clean it up. And then, for the last time, I'm going to get some peach smoothie. Go up here, blend it out. Blend it out. I love that peach smoothie. All right. Where is, here it is. All right, this is the glitter that I'm gonna use. It's one of the, I just got it. It's one of the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. This stuff was so pretty. When I swatched it in the store, I was like, oh, I need it. I need it in my life. This stuff just glitters and glow. It was so pretty. And it has like this pinkish undertone. I don't know, it just glitters. It just makes my heart happy. So I'm excited. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab a little on the center. Wrong eye, girl. Wrong eye. Dab a little on the center. And then I'm going to go in. And then we're going to go in with some eyeshadow and blend the edges. And we'll be good to go. Alright. I'll let that dry a little bit. I feel like it's still a little wet. And let's just go in and blend those edges. Oh, I love the way that just sparkles. It looks so pretty. I was like, I just want an easy, pretty, glittery eye. Fresh, pink cheeks. Yeah. And the blush, what blush am I wearing? I think they're the Morphe blushes. Morphe blushes, I've been using them. I switched my stuff out at the beginning of the month to use new stuff. Yeah, they're the Makeup Geek blushes. I forgot. I mixed Bliss and Summer Fling. Yeah, I mixed these two together. This one is Bliss and this one is Summer Fling. I mixed those together for my blush. It's very subtle. I probably need to put more on because I just poured highlighter all over my face. But I was feeling the girly vibes today. Yes. We need some pink up in her. Okay. Done with that. Okay. And for eyeliner, I just got these ones too. I went back to Sephora. I got their waterproof crayon contour eye pencils. They're supposed to be like 12-hour wear. And I've been mixing these two. I like a brown eyeliner because I feel like my eyes are so dark brown, it helps bring out like the light hues that are in my eye. And this one is Capuccino, which is like a dark brown, but it has like these gold flecks in it. It's so pretty. Like you can see, it just reflects a little bit of gold. And I've been mixing it with, I think this one's called Suntan. Yeah, Suntan. With this gold, just to give it that browny goldy effect, and it just looks so pretty together. I've been mixing those in my waterline for eyeliner. I just wanted something pretty but soft instead of a harsh, sharp winged eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna lay some of the suntan on top. Right over top. I'm going to use MAC's Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish for my brow bone highlight. Love this stuff. Where did it go? Luxie 239 Precision Shader to do that. I'm just gonna grab a little bit. I love the way this sits on my brow bone. It just gives me that soft golden glow that I'm always chasing. It gives me that subtle golden glow that I love. Ooh. Yes, girl, yes. Give it to me. Give it to me. Beautiful. Beautiful, darling. And I'm just gonna, once again, smooth this out. Just using the brush I went in with, Peach Smoothie. Just smooth it out. And that is it. It's that easy. The eyeshadow look that I put together today, it's just this soft, pretty glitter. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on my, well, I'm not wearing lashes today. I'm just going to go ahead and do my mascara, curl my lashes, do my mascara, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, this is the final look. I love it. It is exactly what I was going for. I needed to play with some pinks today, and I was feeling a very girly look. I curled my hair. I got it in a ponytail. I like it. I gotta wear a ponytail and things like that. Well, I can't before my roots grow out. I'm gonna have to get them done. But anywho, if you guys like this look, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you guys for visiting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm excited to see, I don't know what I'm excited to see. I don't know either. Do you know? I like this nail color. It's very pretty. Oh, Painted my nails last night. Girl! I like it. It's cute. It's cute though. Look at that gherkin. Thanksgiving's over, girl. This turkey was saved. Okay. Let's finish this up.